Big Show, of course, the larger of the two men. Roman Reigns looking to use some power and quickness. And Reigns backing up Big Show with the right hands to start this match. Oh, man!
That's it.
Big Show hooks the inside leg and Reigns kicks out. Booker, you've been on the receiving end of a lot of those from Big Show.
I mean, Big Show is a big guy. He's an athletic 7-foot giant, and that's the type of guy you don't want to mess with. Big Show is bona fide. Trust me. Momentum right here. Got momentum.
And there it is.
Beautiful.
And the Big Show's down. And Roman Reigns starting to fire up.
Look at Big Show. He's a giant. And let me tell you.
Reigns going with the Samoa drop.
Wow.
And you feel the momentum shifting. Spear!
Whoa!
And the stairs falling right on the head of the Big Show. Oh, man.
Big Show, he's a giant. And let me tell you, Roman Reigns.
Christmas gift, Roman Reigns promise. Oh, Big Show caught him. And now Big Show, taken down by Reigns again. Right to the knee of Big Show, and now Roman Reigns bringing the attack outside the ring.
You take the wheels out from under a giant, that makes him really slow him down.
Roman Reigns right to the chest of Big Show. Big Show right here on our announce table, guys.
Wait a minute. Watch out, guys. I don't like the looks of that here.
Roman Reigns, Big Show for the win over the... And now Big Show, taken down by Reigns again. Big Show, and now Roman Reigns bringing the attack outside the ring.
You take the wheels out from under a giant, that makes him really slow him down.
Roman Reigns right to the chest of Big Show. Big Show right here on our announce table, guys.
Wait a minute. Watch out, guys. I don't like the looks of that here.
Roman Reigns, Big Show for the win over the announce table. The giant driven right over the announce table. And now Roman Reigns cleaning house. A count of 7, Reigns back in the ring. Big Show's been driven over the announce table by Reigns. Roman Reigns has done everything. The official at a count of 5. Big Show sorry. Big Show struggling to his feet.
The great athleticism of Roman Reigns has been neutralized when that core of Roman Reigns has been targeted by the Big Show.
Reigns driving the Big Show kidney first into the apron. Big Show blocked. Reigns driving the Big Show kidney first into the apron. Big Show blocked.
Wow.
Oh, and a big kick, that big thrust kick by Big Show.
I tell you guys, Big Show has scouted Roman Reigns. He knows where he is before he's there.
Reigns going with the Samoa drop.
Wow.
And you feel the momentum shifting.
The great athleticism of Roman Reigns has been neutralized when that core of Roman Reigns has been targeted by the Big Show.
Get out of there, Roman.
Spear!
Whoa!
And the stairs falling right on the head of the Big Show.
Oh, man.
It looks like what can do. Roman. Superman punch. The Giant still on his feet. Big Show hooks the inside.
6.
And Reigns kicks out.
7.
Both going to make it up, it looks like.
Big Show, of course, the larger of the two men. Roman Reigns. Oh, man.
That's it.
Booker, you've been on the receiving end of a lot of those from Big Show.
I mean, Big Show is a big guy. He's an athletic 7-foot giant, and that's the type of guy you don't want to mess with. Big Show is bona fide. Trust me.
Gigantic fist to the midsection, the ribs of Roman.
Look at Big Show. He's a giant, and let me tell you, Roman Reigns is about 265 pounds. He's no small guy.
Roman. Superman punch.
They're both done.
The
Giant still on his feet. Staggering.
Reigns again with another Superman punch. They both landed flush, but the Giant is still on his feet. Uh-oh.
They're both done.
You gotta be kidding me. No way.